What if the thing you're trying hardest to manage on your own was never meant to be carried alone? At the beginning of a new year, many of us feel the quiet pressure to do better, to be stronger, be more disciplined, figure things out. And often, beneath those good intentions sits a deeper belief we've absorbed without realizing it. I should be able to handle life by myself. Now, it sounds responsible, even mature, but over time, this belief slowly turns into survival, into isolation. But in Luke 6, before Jesus teaches, before the crowds gather, before healing flows, he does something deeply human. Firstly, he prays, and then he chooses people. Jesus does not begin with a strategy or a system. He begins with a shared life. And that should tell us something important. God's vision for a full life was never independence. It was relationship. Now, we live in a culture that praises self-sufficiency, being independent, and that sounds like success. Needing others can feel like failure. And even in faith, we talk easily about my quiet time, my journey, my relationship with God. But Scripture speaks differently. Ecclesiastes says plainly, pity anyone who falls and has no one to help them up. It does not say they're weak or lazy, but vulnerable, because that's what it means to be human. When faith becomes lonely, it becomes fragile. Not because fear and belief disappears, but because we were not designed to believe, question, or hope alone. Now, Jesus could have done everything on his own, but he chose closeness instead of control, presence instead of distance. And maybe that's the shift many of us need this year, from I'll carry this by myself to who can carry this with me. And it's not everyone, and it's not everything, but someone. So take a quiet moment today and ask yourself, what am I carrying alone that was never meant to be carried by myself? Who is one safe person who I can begin to share this with? And bring this question to God in prayer without judgment, without rushing, just honestly speaking to God about what is on your heart. A full life doesn't begin when you become stronger. It begins when you stop carrying life alone.